Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have to keep reminding myself what the name is because it's so long that I forget. So yeah, this is the iPhone Pro Max and I got the color gold. So if you want to see the unboxing on this and review, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I got the iPhone, the gold Pro Max, the 11, and I absolutely love it. Unfortunately, it is already unboxed because when I went to the phone store, I said, hey, can you guys leave it in its original packaging so I could unbox it when I get home, so I could open it up when I get home. And they said no, unfortunately they had to hook my SIM up into this phone when I was there because they wanted to test it out and see if it worked, like when they made a call. So unfortunately it was already unboxed, but let me tell you this, I didn't download any of my apps. I didn't set up my iCloud or anything. I left it like how it comes when you turn it on and stuff, like the original setting of it. So I chose the dark setting. When you open this phone, it's going to ask you, would you like a dark setting or the light setting? The light setting's the original one where it's this bright white background. And I chose the dark one because I wanted to try something new. So here is the iPhone itself, and I did have to put the case on it right away because my SIM is already in here and I needed it to make calls. That's why I decided to make this an unboxing and review, because I've had it for over a day now and I can actually review this for you guys. Let me just take the case off so you guys could see what it looks like without the case on. So it's like a frosty color. I had the iPhone X, which my daughter's actually using it right now, and the black was like complete glass. This is glass, but it's like frosted. I love this. I think it's super cute. I thought this was a rose gold, but I guess it's just the gold, but it honestly looks rose gold. So yeah, like look at that. It's super thin and big. So this is the phone itself. Let's jump into what's actually in the box. I haven't went through anything that's in here. Like I said, I try to keep it as fresh as possible for you guys. Sorry if I keep looking over here. It's because my viewfinder's right there. So yeah. Also, let me know what you guys think about the quality of the sound on this video. I did get a Rode microphone to attach to this for filming videos because I thought that would be super cool for the sound quality. So I did get this to help with that. So let me know what you guys think on if you think the quality is better. If you checked out my other videos, like go check out other ones and see if you could tell the difference of sound. So yeah. So here's a box. I love it that it's like black and gold, like super cute. Like they actually switched it up a bit. And here's the front. So I got the 64 gigabyte and let's get into what's in it. Okay, so first when you open up the box, of course they're going to have their traditional Designed by Apple pamphlet and stickers, which I never use these stickers. Actually, I'm probably going to just toss them away because I don't use them. I've owned so many Apple phones and iPads and stuff like that. So yeah, what you get, of course, is the SIM detachment thingy to eject the SIM card thing. And yeah. And then this is the pamphlet on it. It's before using iPhone, review the iPhone user guide and the safety and handling of it. And then here's the get started pamphlet, which it's super quick and easy. Tells you pretty much the basics of it. But iPhone is like really basic, like there's not really much to know about it. So yeah, that's also what came in there. So let's put these back in. Okay, of course you get your standard headphones. This is what they look like. So yeah, cool. I like headphones. I have my AirPods, but these are nice for when I forget my AirPods at home. So yeah. Then you got your lightning cord. So this is a bit different. Of course, this is the standard for like what you usually use for your iPhone, but the box is different. It's actually the same type of box my iPad Pro has, so that's cool. It's different. It's the, I don't know what it's called, but this is what it looks like. My iPad Pro charges like this. It's so crazy. So, do you guys see the difference? Yeah, so completely different. I like that they kept it like regular USB, how they well, like regular like this, because when I go to plug my phone into my car, I don't have to worry about having to bring this. Well, even if I did, I couldn't even use this in my car anyways. So yeah, that's gonna be a little weird, but yeah, I'm glad that they made it to where I could use a regular iPhone charger. So that is all that really comes in the box. Nothing special. You know, they always put the same thing. The only thing that's different is the lightning box, which is cool. I don't mind that at all. I actually think it charges it faster because my iPad Pro charges super fast. Okay, let's put that back. So, you know, this is just your basic iPhone. I like the 3 cameras. Wow, for some reason, I didn't know that this had like a glass underneath it. Like, here's the 3 cameras, and then the square is like another like setting. That's crazy. That's so crazy. But I like this phone a lot. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. Guys, sorry, excuse my daughter. She did end up interrupting my video, and she's in here right now. So if you do hear her in the background, that is why. So everything's pretty much the same on this iPhone setup. The only thing that's different is you could swipe text. So let's take a look at that. So basically, you could do that. Oh wait, hold on. See, you could swipe text. So obviously that didn't make sense of what I put. And then you could also send a big Bitmoji of yourself. So let me send one to my fiance so you guys could see my example. Or let me send one to my sister. So here, your Bitmoji is really huge. And you just click and look at how big that is. So you could send that. And then this is what I mean with the darkness. Like, it asks you if you want a light or dark background, and I put dark because I like this. I think it looks so much cleaner. And yeah, there's also shortcuts. There's a shortcut app, so you could use this if you use it says get suggested shortcuts for your favorite apps. So I'm assuming you use this just for your shortcuts, I guess. I don't know. Just to make it a little bit quicker. And find my iPhone. Yeah, everything looks pretty much the same. I don't really notice anything different with the camera quality either. I think the camera quality is cool, but it's not like that great. So you could go from here, there, there. So that is the settings that it has. But I think it looks really good. The camera quality is good, but I'm honestly not too impressed with the phone. Like, I thought it was gonna be like, oh my god, like I think they get you with these 3 cameras, but other than that, there's not really anything that I think is too crazy about it. Yeah, that's it, I guess I would say. At the end of the day, I do like this phone because I did have the iPhone X, and then they came out with that X Max or whatever, and I was so sad because I was so used to like a big phone. So I had the 7 Plus before, and then I went to the X, so it was a huge size difference. So having a big phone again, it's pretty awesome. I think that's like the main thing I like about it. But other than that, it's not anything different or anything like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and review. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you next time. Bye.